In the world of modern business, acronyms like TQM, Total Quality Management, are thrown around, but their true meaning and the key to their success can sometimes be lost. TQM is not just a set of processes or a checklist to follow. It's a fundamental philosophy that permeates an entire organization. It's about a continuous, unwavering commitment to improving quality in every single aspect of a business, from the design of a product to the final customer interaction. But how does an organization achieve this ambitious goal? The answer, as any seasoned project management expert will tell you, lies in one single, indispensable element: teamwork. Teamwork is not just a buzzword in TQM. It is the vital, pulsing heart of the entire philosophy. Without effective teamwork, TQM is a non-starter. It's the engine that drives continuous improvement, fosters a culture of shared responsibility, and turns a collection of individuals into a unified force for excellence. Let's explore the critical reasons why teamwork is so fundamentally important to the success of TQM. 1. Breaking down silos, the foundation of a TQM culture. One of the biggest enemies of quality is the silo, a department or team that works in isolation, disconnected from others. A marketing team might design a beautiful campaign, but if they don't communicate with the product development team, they might be advertising features that don't exist yet. Similarly, a production team might optimize their processes for speed, but if they don't listen to feedback from the customer service team about common defects, they're only solving half the problem. TQM, by its very nature, demands a cross-functional approach. It recognizes that quality is the responsibility of everyone, not just a quality control department. Teamwork breaks down these silos. It requires people from different departments, sales, marketing, production, finance, to come together, share their unique perspectives, and work toward a common goal of improving quality. This collaboration leads to a more holistic understanding of business processes and a more robust approach to problem solving. It's only when a team from all parts of the value chain works together that they can truly optimize the entire process, not just their small part of it. 2. Empowering employees, from cogs to contributors. Traditional management often sees employees as cogs in a machine, performing a specific task with no real input into the bigger picture. TQM rejects this model entirely. It is built on the principle of employee empowerment, giving every person, from the frontline worker to the CEO, a voice in the pursuit of quality. Teamwork is the vehicle for this empowerment. When employees are part of a team, they are no longer just following orders. They are actively contributing ideas, identifying problems, and proposing solutions. They are encouraged to take ownership of their work and their team's performance. This shift from a hierarchical, top-down structure to a collaborative, team-based approach is transformative. It taps into the invaluable knowledge and experience of those who are closest to the work, leading to innovative solutions and a more engaged, motivated workforce. When a team succeeds, everyone feels a sense of accomplishment, reinforcing the commitment to TQM principles. 3. Fostering continuous improvement, Kaizen. A core principle of TQM is Kaizen, the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement. It's not about making one massive change and calling it a day. It's about making small, incremental improvements every single day. Teamwork is essential for sustaining this effort. Improvement teams, often cross-functional in nature, meet regularly to analyze processes, identify areas for improvement, and implement changes. They use tools like root cause analysis, process mapping, and statistical process control to systematically address problems. This structured, team-based approach ensures that improvement is not a one-off event, but an ongoing, embedded part of the company culture. Without a dedicated team to champion and manage these small changes, the momentum of continuous improvement would quickly fade. 4. Enhancing problem solving. Complex problems rarely have simple, single-source solutions. A product defect, for example, could be caused by a design flaw, a raw material issue, or a production process error. A single department might only be able to see a piece of the puzzle. Teamwork brings diverse skill sets and perspectives to the table. A team consisting of an engineer, a production line worker, a marketing specialist, and a customer service representative will have a much richer understanding of a problem and will be far more likely to develop a robust, multifaceted solution. This collaborative problem-solving approach leads to more effective and sustainable fixes, preventing issues from recurring and improving overall quality. 5. Promoting shared responsibility and accountability. In a TQM environment, quality is not delegated. It's a shared responsibility. When everyone on a team understands that they are accountable for the final outcome, there is a powerful shift in mindset. Teamwork promotes this shared responsibility. When a team collectively owns a project or a process, success is celebrated together, and failures are learned from as a group. There is no finger-pointing. Instead, the focus is on what went wrong and how the team can improve for next time. This culture of mutual support and accountability creates a more resilient and cohesive workforce, one that is truly invested in the success of the organization. TQM is a holistic philosophy that aims for excellence in every aspect of a business. It's an ambitious goal, and one that cannot be achieved by a single leader or department acting in isolation. Teamwork is the connective tissue that binds TQM principles together, turning abstract concepts like continuous improvement and employee empowerment into tangible, daily actions. It breaks down walls, amplifies voices, drives innovation, and instills a sense of shared purpose. For any organization looking to truly embrace the principles of total quality management, the first and most important step is to cultivate a culture where teamwork isn't just a function, but a fundamental way of working.